palakasan ng kamay. Press down. Separate your two thumbs slowly. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. One hand in. Relax your hands, okay? Slide your hands up, slow and gentle to the tip of the clay. Relax, slide. One more time and then you do it on your own. Slide your hands up, gentle and slow to the tip of the clay, please. Hold it at the top. I-cup mo siya. Slide your hands up. Dahan-dahan. Release your hands. Yan ang basic shape. Ang beginner shape is a bowl. To make a bowl, i-push mo sa left hand ito. Straighten it up. Clip your thumb. Clip your thumb inside. Yan. Ito ang mag-push not your fingertips. Pero dahan-dahan. Push mo outward sa baba and up. Paakyat. Ito, clip mo sa loob yan. Sa pinakababa, please. May hair. Sa pinakababa, push it out and up. Akyat slowly, slowly. Slowly, walang pressure sa kanan. Hold, release your hands. Okay lang yan. So, ikakat na yung clay. Wet your hands. Do it one more time. Wet your hands. Watch your hair.
Ilagay mo sa likod. Ano ilagay mo sa likod?
Sige, one more time. Sige. Push out. Left hand. Be very, very gentle kasi thin na siya. Out and then up. Dahan-dahan po until the top. Dahan-dahan. Okay. Huwag mong iikot ang kamay mo. Umiikot na yung wheel. Dito lang. Sa isang side ka lang. Hold. One more time. Be very gentle. Go out and up. Yan. Pang-lomi na yan. Release your hands. That's your masterpiece. Or pwede mong i-flatten sa top. Para pang ramen. Pull mo muna sa baba para i-balance out natin. Slide mo lang. Flatten mo para pang ramen. Release.
Oh, galing.
Photo
Ayan.
with your masterpiece. Flat hands. Flat hands. Sino pa? Did you want